the other thing we're going to talk about is massage. So the goal of massage, again, is just to get blood flowing back to the muscles and just to soften up any stiff tissues. So dogs have a big muscle belly on the back of the leg here. They have a smaller muscle belly on the front of the leg, just in the front of the outside of the leg here. And what you often do is you often do the massage before the range of motion exercises, just to warm up the limb. Basically what I'm doing right now is just gently rolling the muscle belly with my hand. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. Just gently roll the muscle belly. Start up high and work your way down, and then work your way back up. Here you go. Same thing with this little muscle belly just below the knee. Just start up near the knee and work your way down, and then move back up. And again, this is just going to get blood flowing back to the limb, soften up those muscles. You know, he's kind of looking back at me going, what the heck's going on back there? Does that feel nice, Cedric? Yeah. Dogs will yawn when they're a little confused. They're not quite sure what's going on. So that was Cedric telling me, he's like, I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm probably okay with it. You can do the same thing with his back. Back massage for a dog is really simple. I mean, it's not that much different from just petting him. You can start off just making nice contact with him. And again, just circular motions. He's got a spine running right down the middle of his back. Big muscle bellies, the lumbar muscles, either side of it. You just want to gently massage. Dogs with back pain or a slipped disc will often be quite uncomfortable if you push directly down on the spine. It's one of the tests that veterinarians do to diagnose these problems. So you want to work from the sides up, work that big muscle belly, and again, just kind of soften those muscles up, get a little blood flowing. That feels pretty good. Cedric's leaning into me right now because this feels quite nice. And again, this can be the warm-up before you do passive range of motion exercises. That's a good boy. With the front limb, exactly the same thing. You got this big muscle belly on the back of the leg. This is triceps muscles. You can use your hand like this and start up high near the shoulder and just little circular motions down towards the elbow. And then work your way back up towards the shoulder from the elbow. And again, that kind of warms up this whole area, so then you can do your passive range of motion exercises, getting that limb going. Now, this is just the early stages of physiotherapy. There's a bunch of other exercises that you can do as the limb gets stronger and your pet recovers from whatever the initial insult was. But for now, in the initial stages of injury, this doesn't seem like much, but it's enough and to make a big difference to how fast they get back to using their limbs.